Hello, my friend. This is Joanna from Cost Hardware Group. Welcome to CIOE 2024. As a leader CNC machine shop specialized in precision machining, we are here to explore the latest innovation in optics and electronics. The exhibition gathered the best in the industry. Here, precision is key, from intricate optic components to advanced electronic housing areas, where our CNC capabilities excel. These high precision parts are perfectly matched for our expertise in 5 CNC machining, surface turning, and aluminum-based silicon carbide processing. Our experience in machining EMA, titanium, aerospace components, and complex geometries allow us to meet the high standards required for this advanced product. We're here to connect with the industry leaders and show that we have the capability to support their most challenging projects. Our goal is to bring precision machining to forefront, creating partnerships that drive innovation forward.